Gearhead 704 After Dark. My first ride in SVO.
Look how red hot that is.
You can see I'm watching Brutal right now. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt, and as you can see, I'm not in my garage if you're a regular viewer. If you're not a regular viewer, you should be, because this is a fun channel. We have a lot of fun. I am actually in my friend Terry's garage, and he's been on the channel before. He's the one I drag raced and lost to in the Focus. Hey guys, so my buddy Terry brought out his Focus ST, and he's gonna run me. Yeah, look at this here, guys. This is the SVO I was telling you guys about. And it's 84 SVO, I believe, and it has a huge freaking turbo over there. We're gonna do a couple things with it. It has some spark plug wires, one of them got burned up, and we gotta change those out, put some wraps around it, and I'm also gonna go for a ride in the car. This is actually his son's car. He just recently replaced the gas tank, but I know it's a little dark out tonight. This is actually kind of like Gearhead 704 After Dark / Mr. Automotive, because this is his garage. But yeah, just a little fun video, something different. So definitely check out Terry and his channel so you can see more of this build here that he's doing. Awesome build. But yeah, we're gonna take you along and have a little fun.
I just got to go over it and buff it out.
Okay.
And I've got to wet sand this whole car. It's got orange peel really
Yeah,
bad.
yeah, because it's been repainted, right?
Yeah, and it's a terrible paint job.
Yeah.
So we might.
Well, you haven't seen my SSP yet, so.
We should just like primer or do like a.
I'd love to do a primer on it, yeah.
Type thing.
Guys, I'm doing 2 videos right now. I'm filming for, you're not SVO 84 anymore, Mr. Automotive.
Mr. Auto, I synced up my Instagram account with my YouTube account.
Okay.
So they have the same.
So they're the same. So we got some wires we're changing out. Basically, he burned up one of the wires on the manifold over here. And he's changing them out now. We've got some sleeves on here. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt the video with Terry and the SVO. We're gonna get right back to that in just a second, but on the last video I uploaded, I had so many comments about adjusting the shifter and adjusting the stops on the shifter specifically. Everyone just kept saying, check out Brutal's channel. He has exactly what you need to do. You see I'm watching Brutal right now.
So you see, this is your stop, and this is obviously your shifter. So when you pull this back, you see how there's a little bit of a gap?
Aha.
So you see how it hits that?
Yeah.
That's what you want. Very well pull this shifter back too far. What's happening is it's moving a rod in the transmission, which is moving shift forks in the transmission that change these gears. Back too quick.
So shift forks, you don't eat with those?
Like this, and they're basically cast aluminum and stuff. I mean, you will break those shift forks.
If you guys don't already watch him, I'm sure you do, because like everybody in the comments say go check out his channel, but definitely check him out.
Back these screws off right here. So this is fully engaged, so you know you're in gear. The problem is, you see that gap right there? And if you were to really snatch this shifter really hard, and break your shifter,
I would never do that. I would never snatch it too hard.
Make sure it's fully engaged, and then what you want to do is screw this in. You want to have a little bit of room in here to make sure this thing is in gear. So you want to leave a little bit of play. And all you're going to do is put your lock nut back on, is simply put a pair of pliers on it right here, snug this down. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. This is really simple to do. I do recommend to put Loctite on everything beforehand.
Okay, so that looks pretty simple even for me to do. So I just wanted to go ahead and take care of that for you guys, because like I said, I must have gotten like 25, 30 comments, people saying, adjust this, adjust the screw, adjust the screw. Okay, so I'm gonna start by getting it in a second. Like he said, I'm gonna get the screw up there. It's definitely touching. Let me back it off just a hair. That seems about right. And I was missing the lock nut for this right here. So, went and picked another one up. Now I gotta use Loctite on this. And I am gonna get some Loctite. I actually don't have any right now. So I'm gonna get some. Now let's go up into first. All right, I feel it's touching. Back it off just a hair. Looks pretty good to me. Get this on there. Okay, so I'm doing the same thing Brutal did. It wasn't working with the Allen wrenches, so I'm just gonna hold it with this and tighten it right here. Nice and snug. Again, I am gonna get some Loctite. And let's get the front side here. All right, and that's pretty much it. Seems like it's going in all the gears really well right now. Well, all right, guys, I do have that shifter adjusted for you now, so I took care of that, even in the middle of this video. So anyway, thanks for telling me about that. Remember, I'm definitely not a mechanic, so please don't follow what I'm doing, you know, and I appreciate all of you guys. All of you guys seem to know a lot more of what I should be doing with this car. So thanks for all the comments, I really appreciate it. Anyway, let's go ahead and get back to Terry and that awesome SVO 84 on Gearhead 704 After Dark. The sleeves were on there before though, right?
Yeah, I had them on there, but one of the sleeves was actually touching the manifold, like
okay.
metal, right on the metal, and it did. There's nothing you can do for that kind of heat.
Yeah.
So if you look here, there's really only one wire. That's 2 wires are longer, 2 shorter, 2 longer.
Okay.
So the 2 longer ones go to the back plugs, and then the 2 shorter ones go to the
well, that makes sense. And there's one for the coil, right?
Yeah. And it's the beauty of working on a 4-cylinder.
Yeah, he's only got 4.
I only got 4.
That's not fair. I've got 16 at home in my garage right now.
But I've got a turbo that will probably outpace many V8s.
You're gonna surprise some people with this. You really are.
You know what I'm gonna do is go on a dyno run.
Yeah.
And pull like a good 350 out of it, you know. And
that'd be awesome.
it might happen.
350, that'd be.
All right.
Do you have subframe connectors?
Not yet.
All right, for 350, you're gonna need those.
See these MSDs? They come with numbers.
Oh, really?
So you clip them. You clip numbers on there. So
okay.
You know what wire's what.
There you go.
So I'm gonna do number 1 first. With the new ECU, I can actually get rid of the distributor.
How come you're changing out all the wires? Why don't you just buy one more red one?
I could have fixed the red one. I can actually fix it.
Yeah, the guys recommended Motorcraft, right? That's why you changed them all?
Yeah, the guy in the internet said run original 4 spark plugs from
Okay.
Stinger Performance, and they build these turbo cars all the time. They said these bigger fancy wires don't run good on the turbo motor. You know, like run normal Ford Motorcraft, plain Jane 8mm wires with standard spark plugs from Ford. So that's kind of what we're doing.
Yep. I've already changed all the plugs out for my viewers on that side. You can see there's the old plugs. Really dark. It's running a little rich. But Terry's gonna get it all tuned.
So I'm putting these heat protection boots on there. Supposedly they're good to 2,000 degrees or something like that.
Yeah. So I love this here. Looks so good. I need to get this for mine. It didn't look like it's too bad of an install either.
That's 2 volts.
Yeah.
The only catch was when I put the radiator in.
Yep.
It wasn't fitting right, and the radiator was actually touching the metal.
Was it?
So I stuck some foam tape in there, and it was just enough gap to make this fit.
Oh.
Nice and snug.
Foam tape. That's see, you're always finding an angle, Terry.
Always. Another little story. I have another video coming out where we did this pipe.
Yep.
And originally it was painted all the way up, so it looked really, really nice. And I put a lot of effort.
Yeah, no, because you didn't like that originally when you wrapped it. Remember?
Well, it was also dented, so right from where they bend these pipes,
yep.
The tool that they use, it had grooves and nicks in it. So I actually put body filler on the whole thing, smoothed it out, primered it. Way too much work.
Yeah.
Pipe.
It looks good though. It really does. He's got a great shop in here too. All kinds of stuff.
She's gonna freak out and keep it in her garage.
Nah, they won't know. We won't tell them.
This is not like a man cave.
No, it's supposed to be a shared garage.
This is an actual man
It
cave.
looks kind of like a man cave.
This is a real man cave. This isn't like new TVs and epoxy floors, none of that.
No.
We'll
Can't have that.
That's our next project,
What's that?
to get a smaller house, bigger garage.
So our dream is a house on some property
Yeah.
with a workshop.
Yes. Yeah, you need that because then I can store one of my cars over there.
You could. That will work.
Yeah, you could bring it right over.
Yeah. But I can't believe how much room, like I could sleep in this engine bay with the SVO motor in here.
I tell you what though, there's some challenges.
Yeah.
That sometimes
Well,
traditional
the big
V8,
turbo, I'm sure.
That is a challenge when you need to remove all that.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not hard, it's just nuts and bolts, but some of them are really weird spots.
Well, this is also why you had to smooth this even more. Like you can see it in the V8s, but with this, you really see this right here.
Yeah, and
It looks good too, by the way.
What had happened was the battery was in here after I bought the car.
Is battery in the trunk?
It's in the trunk.
Okay. You relocated that?
Yep.
Oh, that's awesome, dude.
Well, what happened was we redid all this.
Yep.
And it still doesn't look great. It's all scratched up, but
it looks great on video, just like my SSP.
Yeah. You get out in the sunlight, and it's like, I could have done better, but I couldn't bring myself to like put a battery back there.
Yeah.
And cover it all up.
Yeah.
Plus, it just gives the whole open look.
Mm-hmm. I think you've got to relocate the battery for the Coyotes. Not enough room.
Yeah. You know what? I've done it so many times now that
No big deal.
it's no big deal.
That's why we're going to bring the SSP over here. If we can get it over here. If it doesn't break down. Might have to have you come over there first.
Well, the first thing is safety. So, like, getting the basics to work. Getting
Yeah.
brakes, make sure your brakes are good. And,
So, I've got an idea on that. On brakes and wheels and tires.
all right, so the plug wires are changed. This car actually should run. I was going to change the distributor cap, but the second screw to install it
Yeah.
is actually behind.
Oh, you have to take the alternator
I
off?
have to take the intake off.
Oh, man.
I don't think I want to.
Why don't you see if it'll work with the distributor that's on there?
Yeah, I got the parts for later,
Yeah.
but last weekend we had the complete intake off the car.
Really?
Because we changed the fuel injectors.
Oh, okay. So you go with bigger fuel injectors, right? Did you say like 70 something, right?
74 pounds, something like that.
We need to put this pipe back on.
Honestly, it's a little too much. It's right here, put a wrap of the
Yeah. On the manifold, right?
on the manifold there,
Yep.
and on the manifold here.
Yes. I think that's what you should do.
Problem is you need metal zip ties.
Really?
And I think I got one. The other problem we run into, the boxes everywhere because I ordered so many car parts.
Yeah, I'm gonna have that problem soon. Terry's gonna help me figure out a plan on the SSP, so I'll have boxes everywhere soon. LMR, I'm coming for you.
Just fresh from LMR. I got the clutch quadrant.
Okay.
This goes in the firewall, so you can adjust your clutch right where you want it to be.
Nice.
It's a cool little setup. This is made.
I think I had that on the Vert, but I didn't even know how it worked.
Some of them are really junky and they
Okay.
don't adjust well, but this one's nice. It has like a click.
Yeah, I hear that click. Yeah. I don't know if it's coming on camera. That sounds nice.
Yeah, it's perfect. And I got a new clutch cable. I
Nice.
have a ton of play in the clutch, and I can't
Yeah.
quite get it in reverse because I'm not pulling the clutch all the way out.
Ah. Yeah, so we're gonna wrap the manifold.
There we go.
That's just it doesn't look like fiberglass. That's interesting.
It doesn't, but till you put it on your hands.
Oh, you feel it? Yeah.
You're crying the next day because your hands are on fire. The truck mount setup.
You did a good job on that
Do have a lid
relocation.
for it.
Okay.
I have all this out right now because I'm looking at. I was wiring the fuel pump,
Okay.
and I'm actually.
Yeah, because the tank was just out of the car, fuel tank.
Yeah. And I mean, here are the panels. I'm thinking about repainting them, and I'm gonna use these panels as my test panels.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
They've been painted before.
Yeah. They don't look bad.
They don't look bad, but they have a layer of paint on them.
Okay.
So I gotta figure out how to sand them down.
You use trim black on that, or
No.
no?
So there's a SEM vinyl dye, and you'll see it when we get in the car. The center console, we
Yeah.
re-dyed the entire center console.
Oh, okay.
It looks like it just came from the factory. It's amazing.
Nice.
Alright, you wanna hop in?
Yeah. My first ride in SVO. Alright. I might have to tilt this back just a little bit. Yeah. Alright. Manual mirrors. I know you're still working on the tune and everything. With the Mega Squirt, right? That's what you're tuning with?
Yeah, it's actually a Pimp X,
Okay.
which is a version of the Mega Squirt made by a company called Stinger Performance, and they put it in the Ford EEC4 case.
Mm-hmm.
So they make a plug-and-play version that you can plug right into your factory harness. So any V8 Mustang or four-cylinder Mustang, and they specialize in the turbos, 2.3 turbo.
Yeah, I love that sound though. That blow off valve, that's awesome.
The turbine just, it feels like it's running better.
Alright. definitely look like they were rich.
Yeah.
The ones you pulled out.
It's from all the tuning.
I think lean would be more brown. Oh,
Come on.
All right, made it. She runs pretty good.
Turbo's pretty cool like that.
Yeah, I love that. I love that. It's just a I never thought these cars could be that much fun, actually. I am being proven wrong right now.
We're not even going that fast.
Nah, that was the thing. I had the SSP out today, and I was, hitting it pretty hard, and it just sounds loud. It wasn't actually fast. It's just loud.
Yeah, all the noise.
Yeah. The guy's like, "Oh, what are you doing?"
The crazy part is the whole time you're driving this, you got this like stupid grin on your
I know.
face.
I have it right now. It's got good brakes.
Yeah, we redid all the brakes.
You just went back to stock.
Well, stock on the SVO.
Yeah, and it's alright.
It's 4-wheel disc.
Right.
5 lug. And it has bigger. At the time, it was some of the biggest brakes. That
Yeah, I think it was an 11-inch rotor up front.
I think so.
You know what? Because that Celine I just reviewed, it had SVO brakes. That's what Steve Celine used on the
really?
SSC. He used SVO brakes. Yeah.
For the Salines.
Yep.
That's how he did them.
Yep.
Yeah, it comes with a bigger caliper. It's single piston, but it's a really big single piston.
Oh, that was so much fun. We're back. This thing is a blast. It's a blast. I'm loving it.
Here's the turbo.
Yeah. The best part of it is it goes. Whoosh.
Look how red hot that is.
Oh no.
Jeez, man. You can feel the heat, man.
I can feel it over here.
Okay guys, so I just got back from my ride in the SVO, and as you saw, the turbo was red hot after that ride. It was a lot of fun riding the car, and I was just laughing so much when it would just blow off the blow-off valve and just hear that sound. It was so cool. This car is a lot of fun, and again, it's going for his son Seth, who's in high school. Would you not want to have this car in high school? I know I would. I would have loved to have had this back when I was in high school. But that's pretty much it. You're definitely going to see more of Terry on the channel. He's going to actually help me out a lot with the SSP project. And I haven't really told you guys much about that yet, but stay tuned. There's a lot coming for that car. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe. I do upload twice a week, every Sunday and Wednesday, so you're guaranteed to get that content. And we'll see you next time on Gearhead 704.